Hi there, it's Robert Ross and Dean Barnett, and today we'll be presenting the PPPR, the Pipe Probe Penetration Robot.
So the industry problem that we're trying to resolve is that we've got concrete pipe and we've got H2S issues. So conventional CCTV doesn't identify that problem. So we're looking at a tool to try and identify the H2S degradation in concrete sewer pipes.
Now this robot running through there, rather than just looking at the pipe, it actually probes the pipe and pushes a probe up into the pipe and measures the amount of penetration it can get into that pipe and the amount of force that's applying to there to give an accurate determination of how strong the pipe is.
Then the advantage of using this type of technology is that if it cost, for round numbers, $100,000 to replace that section of pipeline, and we know that we have an issue here, we can reduce our capital outlay to fix the problem where it is, and we know that the rest of the pipe's in good condition.
For further information, take a look at our 2018 Oswater paper, or please feel free to get in touch. Thanks again.
Great, thank you.